Today I've decided I will review my grass cutting machines that I have bought. So the first one I bought was this. This is a Senix GTE 3.0-L-EU. It's a strimmer. So this cost 1,000 baht, which is about £20, and it's pretty good. It does a good job, but I did find the original cord which came with it, which is finished now. The cord kept on breaking, so I was forever stopping and having to pull out the cord and redo it. So I've just bought this new cord. This cord is from Mattel, only 89 baht. So I'm going to try this, see if it's any better. Well, the cord does seem to be better, seems to be working quite well, so it's a big thumbs up for this one. 1,000 baht, you can't go wrong with that. But I have quite a lot of grass to cut in this garden, so what I've decided to do is buy a lawnmower. This is another Senix, and it's a 1600 watt electric lawnmower. So the cost of this machine was 4,100 baht, which I think equates to about £93. So let's try it out, see what it's like. This grass box holds 45 litres, so it's a good size. There are a number of heights you can put it to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll put it to number 2 now. So let's put it number 3. Let's see what it performs like. Oh, I'm quite pleased with that. A lot easier than using a strimmer, and does a nice job. that's on height number 3. So maybe I can go down to number 2. But I'm very pleased with that. So the price, 4,100 baht. I got it from Global House. That's it, Global House. So I think I will still need my trimmer because I don't want to risk hitting the concrete with my lawnmower. So I can use my trimmer for the edges, but I've got myself a nice grass cutter for the rest of it. So all this grass I cut 2 weeks ago. It grows so quick. We're in the middle of the rainy season now. This grass I cut last week, literally last week. And this grass here I cut 2 weeks ago. And look how quickly it grows. So this lawnmower is going to make my life so much easier. So I definitely recommend it. Okay, so I'll put you on time lapse so you can watch how it works. Okay, so with combination of my strimmer and my mower, it does a pretty good job. I don't know if you noticed in the time lapse I had to adjust this cord again because it breaks off inside there, which is very frustrating, but I can't seem to avoid that. Okay, so my verdict is this lawnmower is worth the money. 4,100 baht, trimmer 1,000 baht, and I can make our lawn look lovely. Okay, so that's a big thumbs up. I'll catch you later. Okay, after 10 minutes, cut this grass, all of this area here. Literally took me 10 minutes. So let me just talk about the negative things. Obviously you got the electric lead you have to worry about. I did toy with the idea of petrol, but then you got to worry about buying petrol every time, and you got to worry about servicing it, whereas this is easy, just plug in and go. So you just have to be careful of the wire. And another thing is, got a habit of treading on this wire that comes down here. You tread on it and it unplugs, which is annoying. And the collection box, let's have a look. Obviously it's not working very well. That should be full by now, so it's not actually collecting the grass like it should be. So you're going to get bad things and positive things. So the negative thing is glass collection is not so good. Let's have a look inside. Unplug it now. Let's turn it over. Have a look. Yes. So where the grass is supposed to go through there, it's obviously got blocked up there, so the grass couldn't get collected. So that's a problem. But it's my first time using it, so we'll have to overcome these problems. It's still better than just using a strimmer. So this goes into here. Goes into there like that. Overall, I would recommend this machine. It's a Senix XE 45 litre box, grass box. I'll give it a thumbs up. Okay, so I'll catch you on the next one.